Today my topic is AI testing interview questions and answer part 1. Friends, in this video I am going to explain 5 AI testing related questions with their answer. In this video I am going to explain these 5 questions with their answer. And the first one is, what is AI testing and why it is important? Second, what are the factors that we test in AI testing? Third, what are the main challenges of testing an AI application? Question 4, what types of testing methods are commonly used in AI testing? And last one is, how to test accuracy of an AI application. So let's start one by one. Question 1 is, what is AI testing? Friends, AI testing is the process of evaluating and validating the functionality and performance of an artificial intelligence system. It basically involves verifying the accuracy, reliability, and scalability of an AI model, as well as ensuring that they meet the desired outcomes. In other words, AI testing typically involves testing the algorithms and data set used to train an AI model, as well as testing the performance of the model itself against a variety of input scenarios. It also includes testing for edge cases where the model is presented with inputs outside of the normal range to ensure that it can handle unexpected situations. AI testing is critical component of software development lifecycle for applications that use artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI basically helps to ensure that the AI system performs as expected in the real world and that it meets the desired outcome. Effective AI testing requires a deep understanding of AI algorithm, data science, and software testing methodologies. Why AI testing is important? Friends, AI testing is important for several reasons. First one is ensuring accuracy. AI systems are designed to learn from data, and their accuracy depends on the quality and relevance of the training data. By testing AI system, we can ensure that they are producing accurate and reliable results. Second, detecting biases. AI system can be biased if the training data is biased or if the algorithm itself is designed in a biased way. Testing can help to identify biases and ensure that AI systems are fair and ethical. Third point, ensuring safety. Friends, AI system can have significant impact on individuals and society. For example, a self-driving car must be safe to operate on the roads. Testing can help identifying any potential safety issue and prevent accidents. Fourth, improving performance. Friends, AI system can be complex and difficult to optimize. So testing can help the identify area where the system can improve and optimize to the performance better. And the last one is meeting regulatory requirements. Friends, in many industries such as healthcare, finance, AI system must meet strict regulatory standards. Testing can help ensure that AI systems are compliant with regulation and standards. Now move to the next question. The next question is, what are the factors we test in AI testing? Friends, this is very important question. So the answer is here. In AI testing, we typically test the following factors. First one is the accuracy. Accuracy basically refers to how well the AI system performs on a given task, such as recognizing images or translating text. Second, reliability. This refers to how consistently the AI system performs over time and across different scenarios. Third one, performance. This refers to the speed and efficiency of the AI system, such as how quickly it can process data and produce results. Fourth one is the scalability. The scalability refers to how well the AI system performs as the amount of data or the complexity of the task increases. Fifth one is the robustness. This refers to how well the AI system performs in the presence of noise, error, and unexpected inputs. Sixth factor is the security. Security basically refers to how well the AI system protect against unauthorized access or malicious attacks. Seventh is ethics. Ethics basically refers to how well the AI system align with ethical principles and values such as fairness, transparency, and accountability. So, by testing these factors, we can ensure that the AI system is accurate, reliable, efficient, and ethical and meet the requirement of the intent use cases. Testing can also help to identify potential issues or biases and enable us to address them before the system is developed in the production. Question 3. What are the main challenges of testing an AI application? Friends, testing an AI application present a unique set of challenges that require careful consideration. Here are the some challenges are there. First one is the data quality. Friends, AI model rely heavily on data and the quality of the data used to train the models can significantly impact their performance. Testing an AI application require access to diverse, representative, and highly quality data to ensure that the models are accurate and reliable. Second challenge is interpretability. An AI model are often seen as black boxes because it is difficult to understand how they arrive at their decision. Testing an AI application requires developing methods to interpret the output of these models to ensure that they are making the right decision. Third point, and the third challenge is robustness. Testing an AI application requires evaluating their robustness to ensure that they can withstand this attack and still produce accurate results. Fourth one is the scalability. An AI application often requires significant computational resources to function correctly. Testing an AI application requires evaluating their scalability to ensure that they can handle large volume of data and user without compromising performance. And the last challenge is integration with the existing system. An AI application needs to work seamlessly with the existing system and processes. Testing an AI application requires ensuring that they can integrate with other system tools without causing any issue or downfall. So these are the five six challenges that comes during the testing of an AI application. Question 4. What types of testing methods are commonly used in AI testing? Friends, there are various testing methods used in AI testing to ensure the accuracy, reliability, and the functionality of an AI application. Here are the some commonly used testing methods. First one is the unit testing. Friends, unit testing is a technique where individual units or component of an AI application, such as a single function or module, are tested in isolation. It helps detect bugs or errors early in the development cycle. Second one is the integration testing. Friends, integration testing is a technique where the different components of an AI application are tested together to ensure that they work as expected and integrate seamlessly with each other. Third is the functional testing. Functional testing basically involves testing the AI application functionality to ensure that it meets the specified requirements and produce the expected outcome. Fifth one is the performance testing. Performance testing involves testing the AI application's performance under different conditions, such as varying load or data sets to evaluate its responsiveness, scalability, and resource utilization. Fifth is security testing. Security testing involves testing the AI application security feature such as encryption and access control to ensure that it's protect against unauthorization access or data breaches. Sixth testing is usability testing. Usability testing involves testing the AI applications under user interfaces and user experience to ensure that it is easy to understand and use. Seventh one is the exploratory testing. Exploratory testing involves exploring the AI application functionality and features, often without a predefined test plan, to identify the unexpected behavior or issues. Last one is the regression testing. Regression testing basically involves the testing the AI application after making changes or any update to ensure that changes have no introduced new bugs or issues. So friends, these are the different testing models that we basically use to test an AI application. And the last question is how to test the accuracy of the AI application. Friends, this is a very important question. So testing the accuracy of an AI application is critical step that basically ensure that the application is working correctly and meeting the desired outcomes. Here are the some steps you can follow to test the accuracy of an AI application. First one is the define the expected output. Friends, by defining the expected output from the input data, this will help to determine whether the AI model is making the correct prediction or classifications. Second one is the collect the test data. Gather a representative set of data that covers a broad range of input and outputs. Ensure that data is diverse and represent the real world scenarios that model will encounter. Third one is the divide the data into training and testing sets. Friends, split the test data into two steps or two sets, one for the training the model and another for the testing the model's accuracy. This will help you to elevate the model performance on new data that it has not seen before. Fourth one is the train the model. By training the AI model using the training data set, use appropriate training techniques such as a cross validation to ensure the model is not overfitting to the training data. Next one is the test the model. Test the AI model using the testing data set. Measure the accuracy of the model by comparing the predicted output to the expected output. Sixth one is the evaluate the results. Analyze the results and identifying any errors. It basically check the confusion metrics which show how many times the model made correct and incorrect prediction and identify pattern and trends. Fine tune the method. Fine tune the model based on the evaluation result. Use techniques such as hyperparameter tuning, ensemble methods, or transfer learning to improve the model's accuracy. The last one is the repeat the testing process. Friends, repeat the testing process, use new data set to ensure model's accuracy is consistent and reliable. So every time we need to change the data and use the new data. Testing the accuracy of an AI application is an iterative process that requires ongoing monitoring and evaluation to ensure that the model remains accurate and reliable. So, by following steps, you can test and improve the accuracy of the AI application. Friends, I have explained these 5 questions with their answer. If you have any doubt or any question, then you can write me in the comment section. I will try to reply as early as possible. Friends, if you like my video, please like it, comment it, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.